Today's demonstration is all about the towing capability of the new Ranger. It's quite a severe hill going up here. Turbocharger helps us a lot at this high elevation. What we have on the back is a 2009 Ranger. It should be about 2.5 tons roundabout.
Traction control is going to play a pretty big role going up the mountain here. A lot of loose rocks on the surface and a pretty steep gradient.
We have a laptop in the vehicle that we hook up to the diagnostic system.
What can you see there? Can you see?
I can see that you are about 50% into the throttle. First gear low range, 250 odd Newton meters of torque. M-wise we're sitting at about 2.7, 2.8.
Okay.
The new Ranger has a 3.2 litre i5 which has a lot of torque down low, gives you 470 Newton meters of it.
Oh, look at that view. Awesome. The vehicle had more than enough power left.
Although Martin was only 50% into the throttle, it still gives you what you need to get this load up this hill. It is quite a steep incline. We had good traction all the way up. The torque was close to maximum that we can get at this altitude. Very smooth, the delivery of it, everything just bang on.